DNH Records, Fat Duck, history in the making. Yo, if your job is on your back and you ready to quit, you need to make that shit. Just let them know.
If you a chick that ain't thick with no ass and small tits, just
take that shit.
That's right.
If you ain't paid no rent and all your money is spent, you need to make that shit. Listen up.
If your day-to-day struggles got you stressing a bit, come on and
take that shit.
Yeah, hit the lights. This man is ready for some action. Check, it's an automatic reaction. Fellas, get it cracking. Ladies, y'all can start flashing like Janet Jackson. Let it loose, y'all. Don't fight me, get like me. Anything better for you than this is unlikely. You can't beat them, so join them. You got heaters, then point them to the sky and pop off to shake shit off. When shit is stressing you, don't let it get the best of you. We ain't no teachers, but we can share with you a lesson or two. Take a load off, go ahead and brush your shoulders off. Nod your head till your neck hurt, dance your toes off. You with the faculty. What that mean? That's like if y'all was stuck in triple-digit heat and wheeze the AC. Trigger arm got it covered like magnums, long death to outlast them. Mel Gibson said this was my passion.
If your job is on your back and you ready to quit, you need to make that shit. Just let them know.
If you a chick that ain't thick with no ass and small tits, just
take that shit.
That's right.
If you ain't paid no rent and all your money is spent, you need to make that shit. Listen up.
If your day-to-day struggles got you stressing a bit, come on and
take that shit. Yo, 12 strong, stay focused, trying to make it hit. In 98, I had my first real chance at the shit. Had a budget, niggas.